What is up, everyone? ChefQ here, and we are in Seattle today. Besides visiting all the iconic places in Seattle, today we are taking on the biggest pho bowl that I've ever eaten. And also stuffing my face at a buffet that's a bit on the outskirts of Seattle, in Renton actually. As y'all probably already know, I'm extending Halloween a little bit longer into November by playing this broken English ChefQ character for just a little bit longer. So playing this character was pretty hard for me because I find my English accent to slowly but surely be broken for real. Oh, and that mustache keeps falling off whenever I try to do a food review. Well, I'll let y'all in on it one last time in this video. Promise.
Okay, we are in Seattle at Thap Noodles. Fresh noodle they make here, huh? They make fresh pho noodle here. They use it for pad thai or whatever. This special bowl. Yeah. See how big my face is? Look at my face and look at the ball. The ball bigger than my face. Oh, let's see. You see the noodle? Different. The noodle different. The special noodle fresh make here. They have machine in the back and they make this noodle. Right noodle. In here we have special bowl. Have meatball, brisket, some flank, some steak, type bear, tendon. Okay, let me eat. Good, very good. Remind me of Vietnam. Everyone, today we are in Renton, Washington. Renton is 30 minutes south of Seattle. We are fish buffet, a very big place. I say it's so big. I go get food, I eat, and then by the time I go get more food, come back, I'm hungry again. They have what? A lot of food. We got lobster, lobster claw, snow crab. I think snow crab every place have, but not a lot of place have lobster claw. They only give you half though. They stingy. What else? A lot of seafood, Chinese food, Japanese food, Mexican food, American food, Italian food, a lot of food. I say a lot of food. Okay, let me taste how good it is. With what is it? Coconut shrimp. Coconut shrimp. The shrimp is very big, very big. It's still crunchy. You go to buffet, go eat seafood only, okay? You eat chicken, oh no good. You pay $35 one person, tax included already. Okay, $35 one person. Eat lobster, eat snow crab, eat clam, mussel, fish, everything. But too much food, I can't tell you what food here. You see in the video, okay? Right.
Well, that's it for this video, guys. Make sure to tune in next week when I'm back in California and headed straight for the city of Los Angeles. Don't forget to subscribe to see more of ChefQ's food venture and recipe. Peace out.